Back off, back off.
Eastbound from the 175 to Lonoke County, 28th Kentucky, Sam 60 fuel compound, Sam 60 fuel compound, still eastbound. Passing the 176. Go ahead and notify Trip D.
13 between 10-426. I'm at the 183. 7-3.
CFS received. CFS comments added.
What's your speed?
75 right now. We're stuck in traffic.
CFS comments added.
Speed 100. In and out of traffic.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 177. Speed 96.
CFS comments added.
Trying to get your mic out here at the 183.
Tempo, speed 115.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 178, speed 120.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 78, speed 120.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
Passing on the right shoulder, speed 106.
Passing on.
I'm getting flagged at the 183. I'm right here at the exit.
CFS comments added.
Tempo. I'll let you know when we get close. Speed 116. Passing the 179.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 180, speed 90.
CFS
Passing
comments
180,
added.
speed 90.
Passing 181, speeds 105.
Passing 181, speeds 105.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
If you were in the fast lane, I'm going to give you some room.
CFS comments added.
I've got the spikes right here on that exit, so I can just pull straight to me.
Alright, well, he's coming up on that semi, so I don't think you're going to be able to.
CFS comments added.
No, you're not going to be able to. He's coming right at you on the right shoulder.
CFS comments added.
Yeah, back off of him, back off of him. Yeah, back off of him, back off of him.
Spikes. 183, still exploding.
I think he hit it.
Yeah, he did.
Unit D39 joint call. Unit D7 joint call. CFS comments added. CFS comments
Speeds
added.
115.
Speeds 115.
Looks like it's passenger side front tires going on.
CFS comments added.
Passing on the right shoulder, speeds 94.
Passing on the right shoulder, speeds 94.
Passing the 184.
Passing 184.
CFS comments added. Approval has been requested. CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
I'm coming up on him.
Passing the 185, speeds 100. Losing a tire.
Passing 185, speeds 100.
CFS comments added.
Looks like he's going to stop.
Yeah, well, I did. Go ahead,
CFS
TVI.
comments added.
Felony takedown.
Felony takedown.
Hands! 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 You better stop! Hey, I don't know if that's him. Got one running on foot across the field. Hispanic male, black hair, black short, or excuse me, black pants, black shirt. $55, where you at? Hey! Coming from Texas. He's still going through the field. Looks like he's turning, headed back west.
Little Rock, look, we're right here at the county line. There's looking at a gravel road, maybe a farm road that runs off that. Looks like he's jumping across the creek. Get on that, head towards 70.
I've locked and secured the
I got damage. Yeah. He lost his tire.
Yeah, I got a good spot.
Yeah, you did.
So I'm gonna run up here, turn around, go back.
Go ahead. I'm gonna go down here to the car.
Okay, here's the key.